Do you find it difficult to manage and maintain customer relationships on a day-to-day basis? If so, it sounds like you need a customer relationship management system that will provide you with the most robust tools to help manage customer data and communication. Today, Tori, Zach F., Zach R., Yoon, and I will help you solve this problem.
The main factor that motivates businesses to use CRM is the simplicity and the ability to operate more efficiently. more efficiently. The thing that would oftentimes make people or businesses hesitate to purchase a CRM software would be that they don't think they're good enough with technology to be able to navigate within the CRM. But nowadays, it's not overly complicated to use, and it doesn't take a database expert to be able to use it and be effective with it. CRM saves businesses money because it makes them more efficient. The ability to execute planning and time management at such a high level is what makes the businesses more efficient. There are several motivations for businesses to use CRM, and now there's a wider spectrum of businesses who use it. CRM can be used in a wide variety of businesses, but primarily the service industry is where the CRM software is most effective. Because typically the service industry relies the heaviest on customer service, feedback from customers, and deals with handling issues, etc. Because of what I talked about earlier, there are now several less expensive options for CRM software. There's really no limit to which businesses can and cannot use a CRM software. It's not just the large corporations anymore. Now the smaller businesses can use it as well. CRM brings a lot of things to the table that can help your business. One of the most effective features of CRM software that attracts businesses the most is the ability to consolidate all their important information in one location. The ability to access all the business's important info with just a few clicks can up the efficiency of a company tremendously. And that means more time for sales and more time for making money. So ditch the spreadsheets because CRM software is what you need to run the most efficient business. The advantage of mobile access to all of this information is a very important tool. A salesman who is out on the road having success or having access on their smartphone is so much more effective than having to call back to the office to get the information that they need to make a sale. Another key advantage that the CRM brings to the table is that it is more efficient in training employees, which means less time taken away from the managers for training new employees.
So next you have your cost estimates for CRM. There's a couple different things to consider, and one of them is your administrator license, which is like your IT support. This is the number of licenses needed to administrate the system. That includes things such as upgrades and custom development. The annual cost is about $2,500 a piece. Next, you have your desktop client users. These are users that are going to enter and edit data or run reports. They need full access to the software, and they're about $2,000 per user, but it isn't an annual fee. The annual cost is about 25% of your license. In this case, it would be about $500 a year. Next, you have your data collection users. These are the people that just have permission to access the data. They can view it, but they aren't allowed to edit. The one-time cost is about $1,500 per user, and this is also subject to the 25% annual enhancement cost, which would be about $375 a year. Your numbers will ultimately vary though based on your level of staff. So next we have your time and effort that's included with switching to CRM software. So the first thing in your time frame is your communication and team selection. So once you've made the decision to use a CRM, these steps will take about 30 days. Next you have your load application and testing environment, which is about a week. And then next is configure and test application. This is about the heaviest part of the process and is dependent on the team selection in step 1. This generally takes about 120 days to perfect. After that, you have document processes. This can run concurrently with testing, but can cause rework if testing needs to be done multiple times. But all in all, this will take about 60 days, give or take. Next, you have your train people, which normally a process engineer will do. And this will take about 30 days. And then with that, you can roll out your application. For effort, these are the people that are going to be included and necessary to adapt to the CRM. This includes a project manager, your super user subject matter expert, which knows about everything having to do with the CRM software. And then you have a consultant, user acceptance testers, development team, and process engineer / documentation.
One strategic advantage of Microsoft Dynamics CRM is its distinctiveness in the CRM market. It has the ability to connect with all Microsoft tools such as Microsoft Outlook and PowerPoint. This makes the product valuable, intelligent, and different from all competitors. This also gives the opportunity to connect and grow with all customers. Another advantage is that Microsoft CRM is highly efficient in sales, marketing, and customer service. There is a built-in service that helps organize all sales to prevent any loss and provide opportunities to grow. For marketing, there are options to plan and direct tasks for customers and employees. Microsoft Dynamics also creates a great atmosphere for the customer service side of business. If a client calls in because they're having trouble figuring out your product, Dynamics has quick solutions for you to help your client with their problems. The last and one of the best overall attributes Microsoft Dynamics provides is the wide variety of business departments that can succeed using this product. Microsoft Dynamics stretches across sales, marketing, customer success, and more. This eliminates multiple competitors and their products from competing with Microsoft Dynamics. Using Microsoft Dynamics CRM gives your business the competitive advantage and guides you to customer satisfaction and overall business success. Now, let's take a look at the size of the market for Microsoft Dynamics CRM. The market size for Microsoft Dynamics CRM expands from companies like Lifetime Fitness to enterprise. Microsoft Dynamics CRM is most common in companies with the employee size of 50 to 200. This product is mostly used by United States companies that are in the computer software industry. Over 17,000 companies use Microsoft Dynamics CRM today. This advanced technology is above many competitors in the market with their high ability to cover all areas of the business. This gives Microsoft the competitive edge versus other products. Dynamics is expanding at a fast pace throughout North America. This product is pushing companies to go completely digital within the organization, increase research and development for the use of AI, and provide clients with the latest technology to date. These transformations allow the operation costs to go down internally in an organization. Next is the information about Microsoft Dynamics CRM support infrastructure.
When it comes to infrastructure in a CRM application, planning and diagramming the servers involved in your CRM is integral to deployment. This may include new physical servers, virtualized servers, and/or existing servers, or more likely a hybrid of the three. Your infrastructure may consist of servers performing multiple functions requiring expansion of servers based on projected load and performance expectations. This diagram compares physical and virtual servers and can help you determine which one you want to go with. After implementing the servers that best fit your organization, you want to continue configuring and customizing CRM as new requirements arise or as resources become available. These changes should be developed, tested, and approved in a non-production environment. Planning and documenting security within a CRM is also very important to the infrastructure. This includes a complete review for components like domain and Active Directory, SharePoint, remote access, portals and custom pages, and network and zone firewalls. Since CRM is becoming easier and easier for employees to use on smartphones, remote access is a vital area for security. In order to support these mobile users, you should consider two questions. The first question is what technology will be implemented to support remote access. Generally, this will be configuring internet-facing deployment or by leveraging an existing VPN already in place with the organization. The second question is what devices are accessing this data. This may be company-provided or user-owned laptops, smartphones, or tablets. Once your infrastructure and security are in place, the ease of adoption becomes much easier.
CRM software is always challenging to everybody. There are several ways to get into the CRM software. Using wise strategies such as CRM strategy is the best way to achieve the desired business outcomes. The usual failing reasons are connected to unclear strategy, so it also fails to gain adoption and become sustainable. As you get a strategy or plan, you should have clear objectives, including specific tactics, forecasted results, tasks, and research assignment. Those are combined to achieve the last goal. Assembling right people in right places is also a good way to maximize ease of adoption. In this software, customers are users. VOC, which is voice of customer, is beneficial tool. Feedback and comments by customers are good research to help business more plentiful and a process improve. To have such as these benefits, system design should be simple and intuitive that can be done by focusing on prioritized user behaviors. Another important thing is measure adoption. The keys importance are utilization and productivity. It is not just access to the software, it is to view adoption in terms of utilization, productivity, automation, and outcomes. Therefore, the pattern of users comes out. The last concern is the risk managing. Risk always comes to the software at randomly, so pre-strategies are required to implement them when risk shows up, because small risk usually leads to serious and huge risk. The CRM process is the simple task. It is constituted of number of interviews, systems, and functional areas to be addressed. This cost is directly charged to users. The core CRM subscription usually posts prices on websites, or the prices can be provided during conversation. Those are basic prices for CRM software. A major cost of CRM is the initial implementation. This goes through the professional process by a person or firm in this field. The reason why it is expensive because it contains data migration, so any data goes through the process to be shown as outcome. To take of this data, at least one person is needed as a programmer. The person needs to manage users in the system, while a trained administrator handles point and click tasks. The company works with complex data migration, data integration, and implementing complex business logic.